That looks good. Let's do this!
Hey, yo, what's going on?
We're about to go live. That's what's going on.
I thought we were having a family meeting about dinner.
I'm giving the people a window into our lives, David. Yo, my peeps! It's my favorite day of the week, meal selection day!
Did he just say, yo, my peeps?
First up, miso maple glazed salmon. And who doesn't love a juicy steak au poivre and garlic herb shrimp?
Can I go now?
I have to sit through this, so do you.
Wait, can't we just do this on the app?
Sure, but can the app do this?
I mean, I thought the confetti was cool. I mean, what's not to like about it?
Yes, David, I will clean this up.